Power of live alone. Live alone is not good at all, but it's a very surprising matter that it's a powerful it's a powerful theory of a human life because no one can want to live alone. But who can do this? It's his power because man cannot live alone. When he live alone, he can decide powerful decision and he can change his life structure. He can do anything because it's the power of live alone. So I request to you, if you want to change your life, you can live alone. I also live alone. So I request you, if you change your life, if you want to change your life structure, you can live alone. It's a powerful theory of life. Live alone is a powerful theory of life. I also request you, and you have to love nature. Nature gives you pleasure. So live alone and love nature, and you will get a good future. Live alone, love nature, and you will get a good future. That's all. Allah Hafiz.